This is a short video on how to change your stitch length in order to stay stitch. This is your stitch length setting right here for an electronic sewing machine. You should have some buttons that correspond to your stitch length on an electronic machine. In order to stay stitch something, you want to change this setting. I usually use anywhere from 1.0 to 1.8, and then you're ready to stay stitch on your sewing machine. For a manual sewing machine or a non-computerized sewing machine, you're going to have dials on this top front piece. One of them is going to have numbers 1 through, I think it's usually 4. In order to change your stitch length on a dial, you're just going to want to change it between 1 and 2. I would always go probably between 1 and 2 on a manual sewing machine or a non-computerized sewing machine. Now, when you are finished stay stitching with something, you want to change your sewing machine back to its original setting. You can do this again by using your buttons on your sewing machine, or you can just turn your machine off. So I've turned my machine off, and it's automatically going to preset to the regular stitch length. On a manual sewing machine, you're not going to have that option, so please make sure that you change your dial on a manual sewing machine before you continue sewing your project.